Hello guys, it's me to Classic and welcome back. Today I'm gonna be teaching guys Harry a secret house in Minecraft today. Making up there. So we'll make up there. Woo. This is my simple sticky piston jump in Minecraft. This is larger in Minecraft. Oh, come on, that is cool, man. So I will show you guys how to build this sticky piston jump in Minecraft. It will be home. Now let's go. To build this, we need some sticky piston and redstone repeater and some redstone dust and slab and slime block and obsidian. So first we are going to dig this side. 1, 2, 3 and 2 digs. So and put here sticky piston and up there slime and repeater, redstone repeater, 3 ticks, because in only one tick we will be not sure to jump up. Now put a sticking and pressure plate and place it on this 4 sides obsidian. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put here obsidian 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there we go. And I will put here 5 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there we go. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Boom! There we guys. It's called sticky piston slime. And next to us. So thank you guys for watching my video, and please like and subscribe this video. I'll meet you next time. Thank you guys.